In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove tracking changes to comments in a Word document. Sending a Word document to a client or supervisor with all your internal draft notes, red lines, and raw added history still attached is a massive professional risk. Simply toggling your view to simple markup or no markup only hides them on your screen. The hidden metadata is still completely saved in the file, and today we are running a permanent purge to wipe every comment and bag in your edits instantly. Let's clean out the commentary layer fast. Open your document and move your cursor up to the top navigation ribbon and click on the Review tab here. Look near the center left of the ribbon for the group labeled Comments. Instead of going through your pages to right-click and delete every single text bubble one by one, locate the large delete button with this trash icon. I just made a comment here, and now as you could see, you just press on this down arrow next to delete, and then just choose, as you could see, all delete comments in the document, for example, and all resolved comments. I'll just choose all comments, and bam. Now as you could see, they've officially been deleted and are gone. And the exact second you click it, every single markup bubble across your entire workspace is completely vaporized. Now that the comment threads are gone, let's resolve the actual tracking line so your next text layout looks into place cleanly. Look right next to the command section on the Review tab for the group labeled Changes or, as you could see, Track Changes. Locate the large Accept button with the green check mark and click the downward arrow directly beneath that check mark. To flatten your entire document into its final production layout, click Accept All Changes and Stop Tracking. And there you go. This one at the bottom. And Word will instantly accept every single text addition, remove all deletion strikes, and turn off the background recording engine so new typing doesn't generate messy red lines. And your document is now completely clean, safe for external delivery, and stripped of all internal formatting revisions. That is how you guys can remove tracking changes to comments in Word documents. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.